Doing a quick walk around video here. Taking a look at the wheels, all 4 wheels, excellent condition, no curb rash. We had a question about whether there was any rock chips or anything like that on the front. Full front end and the left to the right of the front windshield are wrapped in PPF. I wasn't able to find any rock chips or anything like that that stuck out. Take a look at this wheel. I'll show you the front here in just a second. Make my way around. Yeah, front's in excellent condition. There's no like crazy rock chips or anything, any little marks or nothing that stick out. The only really like the things that you see is the seam for the PPF. That's about it really. Front windshield, no chips or cracks of any sign or any side. Even side mirrors, excellent. There's no little nicks or bubbles in that. Let's go ahead and look on the inside here. Look at the back seat. Just really good condition. Super clean, low miles. Look at that shifter. Okay, and we'll go look at the front. Not much to see in the back here. All right, now looking at the front. Super clean up front here too. If you have any questions, please use the contact seller button or leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to give you a shipping quote as well. Or if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you on Bring a Trailer, please use that contact seller button. We'd be happy to assist you. Good luck with the rest of the auction.